In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Perplexity AI for a more comfortable browsing experience, especially in low-light conditions. Let's dive straight into it and get you set up. To begin, head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to Perplexity AI. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in. If you don't have an account, you'll want to create one first. Otherwise, just sign in with your credentials. It's always good to ensure you're on a stable internet connection during this process to avoid any interruptions. Now that you're logged into the platform, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. This is a crucial navigation area where you'll find your profile picture, or if you haven't uploaded a photo, your initials will be displayed instead. This section is your gateway to personalizing your user experience on Perplexity AI. Go ahead and click on this image or initials, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options listed, select Preferences. This is where you can customize various settings to tailor the interface according to your needs. Within the Preferences menu, scroll through the options to find the Theme section. It's usually not too far down the list. Here, you'll see 3 different theme choices: Light, Dark, and System Default. The Light mode is typically the default setting, presenting a white background with darker text. System Default will align the site's appearance with your current system settings, but what we're interested in today is, of course, Dark Mode. Go ahead and click on Dark Mode. This is a popular choice for many because it reduces glare from the screen in dim environments and can be less straining on your eyes during prolonged use. Once you select Dark Mode, the interface will automatically switch over to a darker theme. You'll notice that the background takes on a deep hue while the text becomes lighter, offering a distinctive and sleek appearance that can enhance your overall user experience. And just like that, by following these simple steps, you've now enabled dark mode on your Perplexity AI account. This setting is not only helpful for your eyes, but can also contribute to saving a bit of battery life if you're working on a laptop or mobile device. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and adjust them as you see fit. Whether you want to switch back to light mode or let the site adhere to your system's theme, the choice is entirely yours. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Enjoy your new eye-friendly browsing experience.